Ah, the universe, an endless expanse of mystery and wonder, where the laws of physics are a lot like my Aunt Patty's fruitcake. You know they're there, but nobody really understands how they work. Well, welcome to the grand tour of our solar system and the galaxies beyond. So grab your popcorn and maybe a space helmet. Things are about to get stellar. The solar system. Think of it as your celestial cul-de-sac. At the center of this neighborhood is the sun, the cosmic equivalent of that one neighbor who's always having a barbecue and expects you to drop by. But instead of grilling burgers, the sun is grilling everything with its intense, searing heat. It's so hot that if you were to fall into it, well, let's just say you wouldn't be complaining about the weather anymore. And yet, despite its fiery demeanor, the sun is a pretty chill star in the grand scheme of things. It's about halfway through its lifespan and has a solid 5 billion years left before it even thinks about retiring. First up is Mercury. This little guy is the closest planet to the sun, so naturally, it's always sweating under the spotlight. It's like that one friend who insists on taking selfies with the flash on, no matter what. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, kind of like the tiniest actor in a huge ensemble cast who's always trying to steal the show. It's so close to the sun that it's got the best view, but also the worst temperatures. With scorching hot days and freezing cold nights, it's basically the cosmic version of a really bad mood swing. Next in line is Venus. Often dubbed Earth's twin, Venus is more like that annoying twin who has everything just a little too perfect. Its atmosphere is thick with carbon dioxide and clouds of sulfuric acid, kind of like Earth's greenhouse effect, but on steroids. Venus is hotter than a summer day in the Sahara Desert, and if you're into lava flows and crushing pressure, this is your dream vacation spot. Ah, Earth, our beautiful blue marble. It's the only place we know of where you can enjoy fresh water, breathable air, and, let's be honest, complain about the weather. Earth is like that cozy cafe you frequent because it's familiar and comforting. It's in the perfect spot in the solar system, right in the habitable zone where life can thrive. So while we occasionally grumble about traffic or our Wi-Fi connection, remember, it's the Goldilocks planet. Not too hot, not too cold, just right. And here's Mars, the red planet, which has become the poster child for interplanetary real estate. Mars is like that kid who's always in the spotlight, with scientists and space enthusiasts dreaming of colonizing it. It's got the right ingredients for a potential future home: ice, rock, and a hint of mystery. Plus, its day is only a little over 24 hours, so if you're looking to start fresh, Mars is ready for you. Just bring your own atmosphere and maybe a few extra supplies. Moving on to Jupiter, the big cheese of our solar system. Jupiter is so massive that it could fit around 1,300 Earths inside it. It's like the friend who always has to be the center of attention. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a storm so gigantic that it's been raging for at least 400 years. It's basically the hurricane of the solar system, and it's got commitment issues. Always there, never fading. Jupiter's got 95 times the mass of Earth, which means it's not just big, it's gigantic. If you ever feel insignificant, just remember, Jupiter's always there to make you feel small. Saturn is next, with its dazzling rings. It's like the planet equivalent of a high school prom queen. Everyone admires it for its style and charm. Those rings are made of ice and rock particles, which makes Saturn look like it's constantly accessorizing. But don't get too close. Saturn's atmosphere is full of hydrogen and helium, so it's not exactly a party you'd want to attend without some serious preparation. It's the ultimate example of planetary bling, showing off its rings with a level of flair that makes other planets look plain by comparison. And then we have Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants. Uranus is known for its extreme tilt, rolling around the sun like a barrel on a downhill course. If you're into quirky planetary behavior, Uranus is your planet. Neptune, on the other hand, is the windiest planet in our solar system. Its winds reach speeds up to 1,200 miles per hour. So, if you ever dream of visiting Neptune, make sure you've got a really strong windbreaker. Or better yet, stay inside and just watch from afar. Now that we've zoomed through our solar system, let's take a step back and admire our galaxy, the Milky Way. Picture it as a vast cosmic frisbee, a beautiful spiral of stars, dust, and gas. Our solar system is tucked away in one of the spiral arms, kind of like being in the middle of a giant cosmic pizza, with us as a tiny topping. The Milky Way is home to around 100 to 400 billion stars, and it's just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. So when you hear someone say they're just one in a billion, they're not exaggerating, they're literally right. Speaking of other galaxies, let's talk about our galactic neighbors. The Andromeda Galaxy is our closest large galaxy, and it's on a slow-motion collision course with the Milky Way. But don't worry, this cosmic crash won't happen for another 4.5 billion years, so there's plenty of time to enjoy the view. Andromeda and the Milky Way merging is the universe's idea of a really epic cosmic dance. So if you ever feel like your life is on a collision course with chaos, remember, even galaxies have their big moments. Beyond our galaxy lies the vast, ever-expanding universe. It's like a never-ending ocean of galaxies, each with its own set of stars, planets, and cosmic wonders. The observable universe is about 93 billion light-years in diameter. Yes, you heard that right. That's 93 billion light-years of cosmic real estate, and we've only just begun to scratch the surface. The universe is expanding faster than you can say dark energy. And just when you think you've got a handle on it, new discoveries pop up, making you question everything you thought you knew. The universe is basically that one friend who's always keeping you on your toes. So there you have it, a cosmic whirlwind through our solar system and the galaxies beyond. It's a universe filled with grandeur, mystery, and a whole lot of wait, what moments. Next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, you're staring at a vast, mysterious expanse that's far more incredible than anything you can find on Earth. Thanks for joining me on this galactic adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Because, just like the universe, this channel keeps expanding, and you won't want to miss a single light year of it.